is for dog and door.
E is for elephant, egg. F is for frog and flag. G is for goat, grapes too.
H is for hat and house, woohoo!
I is for ice and igloo.
J is for jar and juice.
K is for kite and key.
L is for lion, leaf, whee!
M is for moon and mouse. N is for nest and nose. O is for orange and owl.
P is for pen and pail, how?
Q is for queen and quokka. R is for rain and rope built. S is for sun and star.
T is for tiger, train so far.
U is for umbrella, unicorn. V is for violin and band. W is for whale, wheel.
X is for xylophone, x-ray appeal.
Y is for yak, yo-yo fun. Z is for zebra, zero done. Now you've learned your ABCs.
Come and sing along with me.
KOKI TV. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and share.